Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, December 19, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Tuesday, December 19, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Tuesday, December 19, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, December 19, 2023. Tonight's jackpot price of Ultra Lotto 658 is 502.5 million pesos. And tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 17 million pesos. And Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 305 million pesos for December 19, 2023 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, December 19, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.